Hi, I'm Richard Kosher, and my team, Media Insights and Planning, is responsible for the data and insights featured in the latest version of our travel recovery trend report. We're also involved in using this data and market-based insights to inform media solutions partner strategies, allowing them to reach the right audiences at the right time and optimize their campaigns for performance. This latest report looks back over Q2 and shares the latest quarterly trends from our exclusive access to more than 300 petabytes of Expedia Group first-party data and custom research. I'm going to share the top-line findings, but if you'd like to learn more about any of the trends we've identified, feel free to reach out to us. Okay, let's start with a look at searches at a global level. Q2 2021 saw our customers more eager for travel than at any point since the start of the pandemic, with monthly global search volumes increasing more than 70% quarter over quarter compared to Q1. This growth was bolstered by the ongoing rollout of COVID-19 vaccines around the globe, along with changes to travel restrictions between many destinations during the quarter. While these search increases were visible globally, North America and EMEA saw particularly strong growth, with searches for these destinations doubling in volume compared to Q1. In our last report, we highlighted the lengthening of planning cycles following a sharp compression of search windows during 2020. Looking at Q2, we saw that while global search windows remain shorter than pre-pandemic levels, they continue to lengthen, indicating a rise in traveler confidence. Global searches made 22 to 90 days in advance of travel dates accounted for more than 35% of searches in Q2, up nearly 25% quarter over quarter. Even more encouraging and signifying a desire to make long-term consumer commitments, particularly for Northern Hemisphere summer travel, we saw that the 22 to 90-day search window for international trips increased from around 30% in Q1 to almost 40% in Q2. After a year of domestic-focused travel, Q1 saw international search demand begin to return, and this trend continued for most regions last quarter. Multiple weeks throughout Q2 saw week-on-week international search momentum outpace the demand for domestic travel. It was really encouraging to see the emergence of international destinations across EMEA, LATAM, and APAC, a significant proportion of which were searched for by North American travelers. As vaccination rates rose across the region, demand for travel to the rest of the world grew rapidly, with the volume of Q2 searches increasing 125% and 55% respectively for EMEA and APAC compared to Q1. We saw our Q2 top 10 bookings by region dominated by city and beach destinations, which have either re-entered the top 10 since Q1 or moved up the rankings. At the regional level, the top 10 booked destinations were generally for destinations within the same region. This follows the same trend as in Q1. For example, for the big global cities, we see Chicago and Atlanta in North America, Seoul and Jeju City in APAC, Houston and Mexico City for LATAM, and Copenhagen and Paris for EMEA. New York featured in the top 10 for all regions except APAC. According to recent research from Expedia Group, travelers are increasingly interested in sustainable travel practices, with nearly 3 in 5 willing to pay additional fees so that their trip can be more sustainable. In the Q2 Travel Trend Recovery Report, we shared an evolving data set from our guest reviews, which allows us to detect customers' perceptions that link with the zeitgeist. In the context of sustainability and the environment, when looking back over Q2 2021, we can see that the top related themes mentioned in guest reviews were 1, single-use plastics, 2, recycling, 3, electric car charging, 4, LED light bulbs, and 5, renewable energy. From a data perspective, understanding sustainability-related trends and impact on traveller behaviours is an emerging area for my team and something we'll be exploring further over the remainder of the year.